Oh hey, didn't see you there. My name is Nature Dave, and this is my nature zone. Today, with my wife Diana, I and her will be hunting the deadliest animal in all of the West Indies, the Amur Western Lowland crocodile. Today, on Nature Dave's Nature Show. Here we are, deep inside the Giza pyramids. I can hear the sound of flowing water, which means the lowland croc is close. Come take a closer look.
Dave! Dave, I can hear it. Dave, I can hear it. Dave, I can hear it. Dave, get over here.
Get out of here, this is gonna be a messy one.
Dave, I want to be a part of it.
We finally found the western lowland crocodile. It's definitely in this tomb right here, right now. You're watching live history. Here we go.
Oh my god.
Moo. I'm sorry to disappoint, it's another cow. Gotta keep moving. Okay. We're going into the woods now. We're gonna find this alligator. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna do it. Be back in a flash. Is this on? I don't know if it's on. I don't think it's on.
Dang flabbit, Dave. First you can't keep track of our wildebeest. Now you don't even know how to work a gosh darn camera.
Not now, Diana. Not now.
Dave!
Not Diana, not now. Okay, we're here. We're alive. We're good. Okay, we can do this. We're walking and we're walking. These leaves are just beautiful. Shh, shh. I think I see the croaky.
Dave, I don't even see it. Where?
Diana.
I see it! I see the crocodile!
Wait, Crocky, no! Diana! Okay, we're still in search of the crocodile. I think we almost got it this time.
Wait. Dave, I see a whale.
We don't have time for
Dave,
whales,
Dave,
Diana.
I see it's right
Diana,
there.
please.
Dave,
Oh my
Dave,
God.
Flabbit, Dave. Get a picture.
I finally found it. The Amur Western Lowland Crocky. Look at that beauty. Oh, it's beautiful.
Dave, I found the croc.
Oh my.
Dave.
I suppose my lovely wife Diana has already found one. Let's see it, Diana. What's that? It's that Don cow. We're getting a divorce.
Dave, this is it. No, it is not a cow, Dave. Look at it. Dave, look at it.
Diana! Ready. RKO out of nowhere.